Let's get started. Come back. By the way, we have actually discharged the refrigerant inside the system, so recovered it to a safe place before we start doing this, so to avoid any popping of this very place. So don't forget. Ten. Okay, over here, while trying to get this off is going to be real hard. So how do you do that? You want to get a flat screwdriver, something like this, and walk it through. And it becomes very simple. It won't come out, so use plier. So far you can see the radiator is out, the condenser is out, now it's the compressor to be out. So you need 14 to get in there and jack it up, and this drive bay should go. So let's go ahead and remove it. Find a place. I'm gonna keep this camera. Okay, for most of you who don't have a breaker bar, this is 14mm, so I'm gonna use it inside there. Then get another one. That's a trick. Use it to pull it like this. So let me go ahead and show you. You won't be able to get it to see the detail, but it's as simple as it's like this. You can see it right there, right? So you pull it up and the belt simply comes out. So let me get it down more. So it's out. grab it and shove it out. And you need pen. Okay, so in order to get the, after losing all that, in order to get the alternator out, you're going to be needing 14 sockets. So that 14 sockets, you have one bolt here. Then you have to shift the belt out of the way, right? Shift it out of the way. Then you have another bolt down here. You might not see it completely, but it's somewhere down here. Let me try to see. Okay, you can see it right there. So that's a 14. So for this one, gonna be using a short socket, no problem. Even if it's a longer one, no problem to actually lose it out like this. That is actually to tighten it. For you to lose it, you need to actually push it to the engine side. Yeah, you have to push it like this to actually lose it. So okay, now it's loosed. So when you lose it, you have to lose the other one down there, then you have to find something to bar it from here. All right, be careful. Then the reason there is because it's going to be a little bit stuck here. So when it's stuck here, you're going to be finding something to actually bar it from here. Maybe a flat screwdriver to get in between here and here. This hole here, you bar it a little bit and it should come outside. And when you get the new one in place, then go ahead and tighten it up. The reason why we remove this pipe here is to enable you to get it off, even to get the adjuster off, because without removing that, to remove the belt is going to be very, very hard. Now you can actually do this without even removing the compressor, but if you need much more better space, then let the compressor out because of this wire here. Though as soon as you get it off this wire, you need to pull this wire out of this very place, lose this 10 bolt off. When you lose this 10 bolt out, then you shift the wire to one angle, then you can go ahead and drop the alternator, then put in the new one.